Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And I'm here today with a new YouTube creator. He's a friend of mine. We met a couple years ago. And this is a great guy, Shaggy. He's one heck of a builder. And also president of our modeling club at Pam's. While we might have the occasional disagreement over some kits, Shaggy's really a great guy, and he's just created a new channel. He's even got his shop cards out, so be sure to hit him up for one of those. Now let me let you get a real introduction for him. Hey, here's Pappy Tinkers, and I'm here with a new buddy, a new friend. Well, he's actually not a new buddy. This is Shaggy.
What's going on, people?
Shaggy just started up a new channel for modeling, and what's that channel called, Shaggy?
It's called Shaggy's Awesome Garage. It stands for it's AWWSM, which it stands for Anything with Wheel Scale Models.
We're both members of the Panhandle Automotive Modeling Society.
There you go, Pam.
Which is also anything on wheels. And we're here together today at John's Hobby Shop, John's Model Shop in Cantonment. And I'm going to throw in some pictures of some of the great models that Shaggy's built. And make sure you take a minute and check out his channel. Anything else you want to say, Shaggy?
No, that's just it. If you'd like to go watch my channel, that'd be great. It'd be greatly appreciated. And it's a very new channel. It's a very new beginning for me. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. I know I do enjoy it building, so there you go. Come check me out.
All right. Catch you next time on Pappy Tinker. Stick around for the pictures and the links.
Thanks. You
can already see that Shaggy's been hard at work creating his channel. I had actually recorded that about a month ago, and he wanted to wait till he had a few more videos up before we did this shout out, so you guys would have something to look at when you come and check out his channel. Besides being a great creator and a great model builder, Shaggy's also the president of our modeling club called PAMS, Panhandle Area Modeler Society. Plus he does our Instagram page too. You don't have to live in the Panhandle to become a member of this group. Tiffany over at Dirt Road Cinderella is also a member. Oh, quit trying to get me to sign in. I don't want to sign in. We can sign in later, some other time. I just want to show you guys a picture and say, hey, if you don't have a model club in your area, go ahead and join us. Hang out with me and Shaggy and Tiffany, and trade some more secrets that you don't get on the regular YouTube stuff. So here's Shaggy's channel, and I'm going to give you a little video of some other stuff that he's created.
This wonderful, absolutely wonderful display is Shaggy's scene from Close Encounters of the Third Kind. He built the Ford F-150 out of the scene from the movie where Richard Dreyfuss pulls up to the railroad crossing signs and they start wiggling and waggling, and the license plates all mailboxes. That's what those things are called, mailboxes. Start opening and closing and shaking. He built this with so much detail. It's you can't describe it. This one just needs its whole own video. And we're going to try to take a couple pictures out of this of various things, like the Indiana Department.
Look at something that goes with that, or this goes with that. Photo etch that has to go on ship calls.
The actual Indiana Department of Water and Power.
My wife, when we moved to this house,
the maps that he has on the inside are taken from the movie. including
This is no kidding, just my hobby. Just nothing.
the rolled up map
And I
that Richard
got a
Dreyfuss
nice
had on the
window.
dashboard,
The sun comes in on the front, and I took a sheet of plywood. Well, I built
the spotlight,
desk that an old
the siren.
guy gave me. Well, it's just gotten so
Look at the
beat up.
detail on this scratch-built ladder.
And then 2x4
Even the rope to extend it
and then a sheet of plywood, and then I run
is
2x4s
exactly.
across the
That's not
bottom,
metal.
a couple here that I stacked books on the bottom, and I got bookcases that I boxed all the books up.
This
The
is
whole room I built
absolutely
my own big
beautiful.
booth, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah, very cool. You know, and then how it, you know, it's like I took the plans.
My video of this was horrible with all the talking in the background. So we're going to let Shaggy make his own video of this where you can really see all the details and get all the great info from the builder himself. That's it for me. Give Shaggy a big check out and tell him I sent you. And we'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers.